In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to manage accounts payable in Xero for small businesses. If you've ever wondered how to properly record a bill payment, choose the correct bank account, or make sure your supplier payments are tracked accurately, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll confidently know how to record payments inside Xero the right way. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Let's start with the basics. What is accounts payable? Accounts payable simply means money you owe to suppliers. These are bills your business has received but hasn't paid yet. For example, if a vendor sends you an invoice for office supplies or services, that amount becomes part of your accounts payable until you pay it. Managing this correctly is extremely important because it keeps your financial records accurate and ensures your bank balances match your accounting system. Now, let's jump into Xero. Once you're inside your Xero dashboard and viewing a bill that needs to be paid, you'll be on the bill payment screen. This is where you record the actual payment once you've paid the supplier in real life, whether by check, bank transfer, or another method. The first field you need to look at is Paid From. Click on the drop-down menu and select the bank account the money came from. For most small businesses, this might be your checking account. Selecting the correct bank account is critical because this ensures Xero reduces the correct account balance and keeps your bank reconciliation accurate. Next is the Date Paid field. Choose the exact date the payment was made. For example, if you paid the bill on February 21st, 2026, select that date. Always use the real payment date, not the invoice date. This keeps your financial reports and cash flow statements correct. Now move to the Reference field. This is where you enter the payment reference. If you paid by check, type in the check number, such as CHK123. If you paid through an online transfer, you can write something like online transfer or include a transaction ID. Adding a reference is a good habit because it makes tracking and auditing payments much easier later on. Then you'll see the Amount Paid field. In most cases, this will already be filled in automatically with the full amount of the bill, for example, $1,150. If you're making a full payment, you can leave this exactly as it is. However, if you are making a partial payment, you can adjust this amount accordingly. For now, if it's a full payment, simply leave the pre-filled amount. Once everything looks correct, click on Add Payment or Make Payment, depending on what your screen shows. As soon as you click this button, Xero records the payment, reduces your accounts payable balance, and updates your selected bank account. The bill will now be marked as paid. After recording the payment, it's always a good idea to double-check your work, confirm that the bill status shows as paid, and verify that the amount matches your actual payment. This small step helps prevent errors that could affect your financial reports later. Managing accounts payable properly in Xero helps you stay organized, maintain good supplier relationships, and avoid late payments. It also ensures your profit and loss statement and balance sheet are accurate. When you consistently record payments the right way, your bookkeeping becomes much smoother and far less stressful. So to quickly recap, open the bill, click to record payment, select the correct bank account under Paid From, enter the actual payment date, add a clear reference, confirm the amount paid, and then click Add Payment. That's it. Simple, clean, and accurate. If this video helped you understand how to manage accounts payable in Xero, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step small business accounting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.